Hello and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2015 Kia Sorento 2.2 CRDi KX-2 all-wheel drive 7-seater in black. It has done 75,000 miles since new, has had 2 owners and comes with a full service history. Features include a full leather interior with heated front seats, cruise control, rear parking sensors and Bluetooth connectivity. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.